Hi, ready to explore a new tool together? Introducing the Beta 0182 SAO 003 Soldering Iron, your ultimate companion for precision and reliability. Whether you are an electronics technician or a DIY enthusiast, this tool is designed for you. With a lightweight build and a powerful 30-watt performance, it tackles both intricate and larger jobs with ease. Enjoy precise temperature control for flawless soldering every time. Built to last, this Beta soldering iron ensures you can tackle any project with confidence. Get ready to elevate your craftsmanship. Grab yours today.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.